Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am back with a haul from CVS for you guys today. I did one big haul, one big receipt transaction because I wanted to use my 32% off of my purchase. So if you guys have that same CRT, this gives you an opportunity to look at a couple of different deals that you can do. And remember, you can only use a percentage off CRT on items that are not on sale. And if you're going to use a percentage CRT, remember, do not pay with extra bucks. You either want to pay with cash or a gift card. So I did a combination with my payment on this. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Hit the bell right next to it so that you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. And you guys can now join my members club. I have two different levels. The first level is called the Savings Club, which is $2.99 a month. And the second club is $4.99, and that is called the Stockpilers Club. You get all different incentives for the different levels, and I'll go over all of that in another video. But if you guys would like to be a special member and get those perks, then you want to go ahead and join one of those clubs. In the meantime, we're just going to get ready to save with this video. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your Ibotta app downloaded. If you haven't downloaded that yet, just click on the link that I'm going to put in the description box as well as in the comments. Set your account up, and when you redeem your first rebate, you're going to get a $10 bonus plus the amount of the rebate that you redeem. Also, make sure you have your Fetch app downloaded. When you upload your first receipt for Fetch, you're going to get 2,000 points, which equals $2. You're going to use those points to cash in for gift cards to pay for all of your couponing needs. And when you guys see my receipt, you're going to see that I used a lot of gift cards to pay for this. And that is because I used my gift cards from my Fetch. So guys, let's jump into this and let's get ready to save. So the first deal that we're going to do, or that I did rather, was on the Ensure. And those are on special. I don't know if this is an unadvertised deal or not. I don't remember seeing it in the ad, but it was definitely marked in my store. It may be in the ad, I'm not sure. But it is on select Ensure products. When you buy two, you get a $10 extra buck. So those are not on sale. They are $12.99. And that is exactly what I paid for them. And again, everything that I got today is not on sale because I wanted to use the 32% off. So I grabbed two of them. So that's $12.99 each. We're just going to round that up to $26. I used two of the $3 off paper coupons. And I used my 32% off. Now, if you don't have a 32% off coupon, it's still a good deal, because if you use the coupons and you say they're $26 minus the 3, that brings it down to $23. Then your $10 extra buck takes off another 10, so that brings that down to $13. So it'll be like buying one and getting one for free. The second deal that I did was on the M&M's crunchy cookies. Now guys, this actually ended up being a glitch for me. I don't know if it happened to you, but it sure happened to me. But I didn't get this knowing that it was a glitch. The glitch just happened when I uploaded my receipt to Ibotta. I purchased these M&Ms because I wanted free M&Ms, because there is an offer in Fetch, which I'm going to show you here shortly, where if you buy these M&Ms, it doesn't matter what store you buy them from. It just so happened I was getting mine at CVS. But when you buy these, they're 100% free. No matter how much you pay, CVS is going to give you your money back. So let me show you the offer. And then I'm going to show you what happened when I uploaded my receipt to Ibotta. So there you see 100% back, and you can only buy one pack. Okay, so I got my money back for that. Here you see I got 1,000. 35 points. These were $1.49, but with my 32% off, they came down to $1. So get those, get your free candy, and then let me show you what happened when I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. So when I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, it actually attached to the M&M's nut brownie rebate, which gave me 75 cents. So this actually made that a moneymaker for me. Next, I did the Unisom deal, and there's no extra bucks back with these, but I did them because there was an Ibotta rebate and there was also a coupon. So I'm actually going to take these back because by the time I was finished shopping at CVS and uploaded my receipt, my Unisom rebate disappeared. So I don't know what happened, but I'm definitely taking them back. But just in case you have the rebate, or it may be a good deal for you because this might be a product that you buy. But these were $13.99. And then, of course, I got the 32% off because they weren't on sale. But I went to unisom.com and I printed out a $2 coupon and applied that. And then I was hoping I was going to get back the $8 from Ibotta, but I didn't because the rebate disappeared. And that would have made this like $1.50 out of pocket, which would have been excellent after my 32% came off. And guys, when you're calculating your prices, the 32% or whatever percentage coupon that you have comes off after all of your CRTs and all of your coupons. So I'm going to show you my receipt, but I'm definitely taking that back because I don't use this product. I don't really, and I've never flipped it in my, when I, sold it to my customers or things. So I'm just going to be without that coupon. Without that product. So then my next deal that I did was the Neutrogena deal, where you buy 3 Neutrogena cosmetics and you get $10 back in extra bucks. Now I picked up the wipes. You have to get the wipes that are in the makeup section, not the wipes that are over in the skincare section. And the wipes that you have to get, they have to be the 21 pre-moisture towelette packs, okay? And at my store, they are $7.79, and that's regular price, so I do get the 32% off of that. Then I had, in which everyone received this CRT today, a $3 off Neutrogena CRT. So I used that. And I was hoping to use a $4 off 20 Neutrogena makeup CRT. But for some reason, it didn't come off, which increased my out-of-pocket. But that's totally okay. I used 3 of the $1 Neutrogena paper coupons that came out in the 10 to save. And I got back my $10 in extra bucks. And again, I used my 32% off CRT. So guys, that's a really good deal to get the $10 in extra bucks. Use the $3 CRT plus the $3 in coupons. That's $16 right there off of your total. So that makes it really good. Plus this counts towards Beauty Club. My next deal that I did was on the the Nivea body wash. Now the Nivea deal, there's a whole bunch of Nivea deals you can do. I chose to do the body wash deal because I actually use this body wash. Plus it's a good seller for me. But I chose to do this one instead of the other ones. Like you could do the Nivea Nip Balm, you could do the men's body wash, you could do the Nivea Shave Deals. And then the Nivea men's shave deals has a lot of different Ibotta rebates. I just chose to do the body wash. So the body washes are $6.49. And again, that's the regular price. So I'm able to use my 32% off CRT. But the Nivea deal is another good deal where you spend $20 and you get $10 back in bonus cash. So it's like you get half of your money back. Now, these are each $6.49. I used a $3 off 18 CRT, Nivea body wash CRT. And then I used 2 of the $3 off 2 paper coupons that came in your 9.25 save insert. I don't have any more of those, so I'm not sure when they expire, but I know they're not expired yet. And then my 32% off. I'm hoping that Ibotta is going to give us a Nivea body wash rebate, because it seems like every time they bring the men's rebates out, then a couple days later, they usually bring the body wash ones out. So I'm hoping that they follow the same suit, because that would make this actually a moneymaker to get this back. So actually, this ended up being like $1.25 for all 4 of these body washes. So I'm like super duper happy with that. So if the rebates come out in Ibotta, it'll be a moneymaker. Now, the other deal that I did, and actually the last deal, was on the Cetaphil facial wipes, gentle skin cleansing cloths. And these were not on sale either. They were $8.69. So yes, the 32% off did apply to this. Now, some of you may have a $6 off 2 paper coupon that came in the 9.25 smart stores. I don't know if it's regional or what, but I didn't have that. But if you have that, you can get a glitch with this, because you would use that. Plus, there's a $3 digital coupon in your CVS app. If you clip that and you use that $6 off 2 paper coupon, they will glitch together and you would get $9 off. I didn't have that, so I wasn't able to take advantage of that. So for those of you who are in the same predicament as I'm in, you can actually go to the Cetaphil website and print off $4 coupons. You can do 2 prints. So that's what I did. I printed them off twice. So then I got $8 off. But I wasn't able to use the $3 digital that was in the CVS app. That wouldn't glitch with that. So if you have the $6 off 2 and the $3 digital, that'll give you $9 off. If you don't have the $6 off 2, it's okay. Just go to Cetaphil.com and print those paper coupons. So then you'll have $8 off. So it's just $1 difference. And then I had a $3 off 2 Cetaphil CRT. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. Now, what I want to tell you guys about this, your rebates for Ibotta may vary. So my rebates for Ibotta were $2.50. See, it attaches to the face cleanser. So I got 2, so I got $5 back. Now, I have heard on YouTube that other people's were only $1.50. Mine's were $2.50. So you'll have to calculate that, do the math, however yours ends up coming out. So with the, say you don't have the $6 off 2, you have the $4 coupon like I have. So the $4 coupon and the $2.50 from Ibotta, that gives you $6.50 back, plus say $1.50, because we're just going to do the math on one. $1.50 for the CRT, so that's $8 back, and then the 32% off. These are basically free, okay? And if you didn't follow me on that, we'll do it by 2. So let's do the math, because I don't want to confuse anyone. So these are $8.69 times 2. That would be $17. You can't see this. I don't know what happened with my calculator. So if you do $8.69 by 2, that's $17.38 minus the $8 in paper coupons that we're getting from the Cetaphil site, minus the $3 CRT. Okay, that leaves you paying, come down to $6.38. And then we're going to take off the 32%. Okay, that is you paying $4.33 at the register. But if you have the $2.50 rebates that I have, then you're going to get $5 back from Ibotta. That makes this a 66-cent moneymaker. But if you don't have the $2.50 and you have the $3 the $1.50 Ibottas, that would be $3 off. So then that means this would cost you $2.66 or something like that. But that's too much math for me, and I did it with my $2.50. So I know it was a money maker for me. So let's go over my receipt. So here you see I got the M&Ms. They were $1.49. Then there's the Nivea, $6.49 each. Then there's the Neutrogenas, $7.79. The Ensures for $12.99. The Cetaphil for $8.69. And the Unisom for $13.99. There's all my manufacturer coupons that came off. The $3 CRT for the Neutrogena. The $3 off 8 Nivea Body Wash CRT. The $3 off 2 Cetaphil CRT. And as you can see, my $4 off 20 Neutrogena didn't come off, but that's okay. But look at how much that 32% CRT took off. $23.74. Guys, that is a lot, right? So my out-of-pocket was $50.43. But you guys know that I really didn't pay that, okay? So let's go over what I got back. So here's the $10 in extra bucks that I got back for the Ensure. Here's the $10 in extra bucks I got back for the Neutrogena. And the $10 in extra bucks that I got back for the Nivea. So that's $30 in extra bucks so far, right? Then I got back $5.75 from Ibotta. And I got back $1.03 from Fetch. Okay, that was for the M&Ms and then the bonus scan. I submitted my receipt to coupons.com because they have an offer on there. Spend $20 in Nivea products and get $4 back. So I had already spent 80 cents. So I submitted for those body washes, and hopefully I will get that back. And then I also submitted for the Cetaphil. I don't have my fingers crossed for that because I already used a coupon on that. So we'll see what happens with that. Okay, so if we do the math, I paid $50.43 out of pocket, but we're going to subtract $8.15 for the Unisom. So that brings it down to $42.28. We got back the $30 in extra bucks, the $5.75 back from Ibotta, and the $1.03 back from Fetch. So when you do all the math, all of that adds up to $36.78 minus the $42.28. That means this was $5.50 out of pocket. But if we get back the $4 back from coupons.com, then that means it's $1.50 out of pocket. The reason why I'm hesitant about the coupons.com thing is because of me using the 32%. They may take that price instead of the price minus my coupon. So we'll see. But that is my haul. Let me know if you guys are going to do any of these deals. If so, come back. And if you do the Nivea deal, let me know which Nivea deal you're doing. Is it going to be the men's products? Is it going to be the lip balms? Is it going to be the body wash? I'd be curious to see what everyone's getting. But until the next time, keep on saving.